Hello there, guys. Welcome to my channel. I know my face looks weird. It's this face mask, okay? I'm currently doing a face mask, a kiwi one, a peel gel one, as you can see, using this. This one, my face looks very shiny, very shiny. Yes, what a way to start a video. But yes, hello, welcome, people. It's been a fat
The brain is not braining, LOL.
minute since I've done a video. I think the last one was forever ago. I did with my fiance, and then the other one that I have up is with my cousins. We did like a little game challenge thing. So yeah, welcome back. We're here to stay. Yeah, it's JJ Medina X here. So today I'm going to be doing like a natural like makeup today, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Yeah, so right now I do have this face mask. You know, gotta like wait for like 10 minutes or something to let it dry and then peel it off. Normally I don't do this all the time. I only do it this like once in a while, you know, do a little face mask. It's good for the skin, yes. But yeah, I'll show you how this peels off if you care to see me peel it. I feel like it's very satisfying. And then we'll get into a natural makeup look. Heck yes. I can barely talk because it's like actually starting to dry. Oh my gosh. But like I can't even like smile. But anyway, yes, we'll get into that. So yeah, kind of satisfying, but I don't know. Okay, and we're back. My face is no longer shiny. This is my skin right now. It's kind of glowing. Wow. I did use some face cream. It's L'Oreal. It's this one. Hold on, it's like not focusing. But yeah, I personally don't like it. But this is the only one I got, so it'll do until I find like the perfect like face like moisturizer like cream thing. That's the first thing I put here on my face. You know, if there's a better like face cream and stuff than this, let me know on the comments down below. Let me know, because I'm willing to try new things, yo. Okay, so I'm gonna be using Neutrogena, this one, for my foundation. There you go. It's Neutrogena Skin Clearing Oil-Free Makeup Blemish Treatment with hyaluronic acid. There we go. I cannot speak it. But yes, this. I've been using it for like ever, I think since like high school. Yeah, since high school. So I'm going to be using this. I'm going to put it all over my face. Literally, I just use my hands. I know, I'm probably bad, but I like to use my hands, okay? I don't use no sponge, no nothing, no beauty blender. Okay, sorry. This hair is annoying me. I'm just gonna like pin it back. There we go. Now I can start. Just gonna kind of dab it all over my face. All right, so my face is fully, you know, caked up. Foundation. So yeah, my face is all nicely, you know, covered. And now we'll move on to the eyebrows. Okay, and for my eyebrows, I'm going to just kind of fill them in. I'm just gonna do like black eyeshadow. You can use any. I have this one. I got this from a girl that sells it like, I think it was like Etsy. And she doesn't make them anymore, sadly. But as you can see, I've used this a lot. I'm just going to use a black eyeshadow and just kind of fill in my eyebrows kind of naturally as possible, not too much, because I already have like hairs, you know, kind of in there. Just kind of wanted to do a natural look. I know you're probably asking like, oh my gosh, she's using eyeshadow. A sin, what is she doing? Well, you'll see what I'm But yeah, you get the idea. Let me like finish it and then I'll show you. This is what works for me, okay? I personally don't really sweat that much, so I've noticed that this, just the eyeshadow with this bad boy, Wet n Wild, like clear. It's like a clear mascara eyebrow gel. I just put that bad boy on top of my eyebrow, and then it just dries and kind of stays in place. Like literally, I'll wear this like all day, and it doesn't go anywhere. But I don't really sweat that much, so this is just what works for me. If you're someone who's more like oily skin, more like sweats more, I guess, I don't think this method would I wouldn't recommend this method for you. There's probably other way better like eyebrow stuff out there, you know, in the market. That, you know, this is just what works for me. Okay, sorry. I'm just gonna kind of like eyebrows are done. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now onto the eyelashes. So I'm gonna start off with like curling them because I'm gonna be using like these eyelashes. They're like Arndale, I think is the brand. Arndale. And it's like seamless bond and seal duo. So I'm gonna be using these to do like a natural, nice, you know, eyelashy look. I'm gonna be applying them with these. I definitely do recommend this brand so much. Like, oh my goodness, I've been looking for a glue that's like, you know, sensitive free and stuff. I mean, I have kind of sensitivity eyes, and I've noticed that this really works really well. I tried, I'll put this brand because I forgot the name of the brand. This one, that brand, I cannot stand it. I literally, my eye would be watering. Like, I could not wear it past like 2 days or a day, and my eye would start like literally watering, and it was so annoying. It was burning. I personally don't recommend. Other people are like, oh my gosh, it's so good, it's the best. But for me, maybe I just have sensitive eyes, and maybe I just can't do it. But I don't know. But this is amazing. I love it. I could wear the max, I think, was like up to 6 days with like my eyelashes that I had on. Not these, but they're like, that came with a brand. These are from Kiss, but I love them. Very nice, very friendly, in my opinion. In my opinion, though. I mean, this is not sponsored, but yes, this is the best. I love it. Definitely recommend if you're trying to try out, if you're a beginner, because I'm definitely kind of a beginner brand. And then I'll kind of put here how it looked, like the whole packaging. Beautiful. But yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes here. And I'll do the other one. Okay, they're all curly. Now I'm gonna put the fake eyelashes. So pretty much I'm just gonna grab like the large ones and like put them in my I'm just gonna put them like right here on the outer corner and kind of work my way up. And then once I reach like right here on the edge, I'm just gonna go kind of smaller to kind of give it like that cat eye effect. Just going to quickly do that. If you want a tutorial, let me know. Comment down below if you want a tutorial on how to apply these on. But yeah, these are really comfortable though. As you can see, they're really thin, so you can hardly feel them when they're up there, and they're really comfortable. I do recommend like the Kiss like eyelash or the Arndale one. There's one, you know, kind of natural little wisp. Right here are my eyelashes. I mean, I don't know if they're like that natural. The eyelashes do have quite a lot of volume. I mean, I could have gone like a little, you know, more natural looking or size down. They will do. It's okay. I mean, I probably could have used some of the small and medium, but it's okay. And now I'm gonna do like some highlighter and some blush, you know, like some shimmer right here in my cheekbones. I'm gonna be using L.A.Colors right here. But I'm not going to use that blush though. I'm going to be using a different type of blush. It's more kind of a pinky. This blush right here. I honestly don't know the brand. It kind of wore off, as you can see. But yeah, I'm using this blush. Okay, I'm going to be using this little like shimmer right here. Good, decent amount. Come on. Like that. And then I'm gonna do like a little bit right here, right there. I shall do some blush. Okay. And I'm gonna do my lips. My lips are oof. Okay, I'm gonna be using NYX lip liner. This, I love this. And I'm just gonna outline my lips. I know you can't see me, but all the way, my mirror's up there, so don't mind me. Cute. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. It's very cheap, budget friendly. Highly recommend it. Not sponsored. It's L.A.Colors lip gloss, and just put it on top. It's like my go-to. I love it. Smells so good. Smells like sweet. Doesn't smell like chemicals. So beautiful and so nice on the lips. Okay, so for the eyeshadow, I'm just gonna do kind of like neutral-y color. I'm obsessed with mushrooms and frogs, if you know, lately. I'm like a mixture of styles. I don't know. But yeah, definitely stay tuned, though. I am gonna do, like, I love fashion. I love all that stuff. So I can do, like, different, like, styles, different makeup, different, like, outfits, all that stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the Revolution palette. I got this at Ulta. I love this eyeshadow palette. I love it, love it. Highly recommend it. And I'm gonna be using that brown one. And then we're gonna do a little bit of like this kind of goldy, shimmery as well. So on the outer corner right here, I'm gonna do brown. And then in the inside, I'm gonna do like that like shiny color right there. Yeah. Just kind of do it like that. And I'm just gonna kind of bring a little bit of that brown at the bottom. Well, I don't know if this is like natural. I guess from like what I'm used to, this is pretty natural because normally I would do like more crazy colors, you know, like red, blues, like really like strong colors. I guess for me, this is kind of more natural. But I guess it's more like kind of everyday wear, makeup, kind of going out casually. I'm actually gonna add a bit more gold, I think. And for the gold, I'm gonna be using this Mickey Mouse. I think it's called the Cream Shop. I got this at Burlington. I definitely recommend it. I love all the colors. I'm using that really nice goldy like eyeshadow. They're like pretty pigmented. So yeah. That. And I'm also going to be using this guy right here. It's more like gold. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that is. Uh-huh. That's what we want. Cute. Now we're gonna also do this side. Okay, so we got that. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with like a thinner brush. Like that. I know it's like so thin. And I'm gonna go in with this kind of like light shimmery pink. As you can see, I use it a lot. But yeah, we're gonna use a little. And I'm gonna be doing it like right here and on my under eye. This is what it's looking so far. Cute. I'm gonna brush off like, cause there's like, you know, eyeshadow in the eyelashes. And then I'm gonna do my lower lashes with the L.A.Colors Perfect Lash Lengthening Mascara. I know, sorry, it's like all gross and dirty, sorry. But yeah, it's that guy right there. And I'll use it on my under eyelashes. Just kind of carefully. Okay, so this is the finished results. Wow! I freaking love it. Very cutesy, very demure. This is like my natural-ish look, you know, or going out. And then I'll show you like my whole outfit too. What I would wear like casual wear or stuff like that for like fashion. Yeah. Here's my chibo. Here's my chiboso. Hi, Butchie. It's my baby Butchie. Oh, my Butchie. But yeah. And I'll show you my outfit after I, chibo. So this is like the outfit. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. But yeah, please give us a like, subscribe for more goodies for the future. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care of yourselves. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to everyone. Peace, peace. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.